everyone, my name is Oyantina Jiman. I'm a college student from the University of Santo Paulus Rute, especially from the Department of Midwifery. Here I will discuss about health nutrition of pregnant women. The first will explain the definition of health nutrition in general. Health nutrition is the amount of nutritional that's needed by each individual. So, health nutrition of pregnant woman is the amount needed by mom during pregnancy. Nutrition in pregnant woman can affect the health and growth of fetus. If the nutrition of pregnant woman is fulfilled, fetal growth can run careful. Likewise, if the nutrition is not fulfilled, so the fetal growth will be hampered. Then, the second one are kind of nutrition needed for pregnant women. The first, foliage. Foliage is needed to reduce the possibility of a defective risk in the fetus. Pregnant women must consume a lot of green vegetables, chicken, fish, nuts, and oranges. The second, omega-3. One is omega-3, fatty acid omega-3, help interest brain and fetal neuron, like sight, memory, and understanding of language of fetus. So, pregnant women must consume milk, green vegetables, soybean, and egg. The third, calcium. Calcium helps the formation and completion of fetal bones. So, pregnant women consume milk, green vegetables, soybean, and eggs. The fourth, iron. Iron is useful for support the formation of red blood cells. This iron requirement can be obtained by consuming bread meat, eggs, yolk, nut, green vegetables. The fifth, drying water. Drying water helps channel nutrition into cell and through poison into the body of pregnant woman and also help reduce dehydration and fatigue in pregnant women. The sixth, vitamin C. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant that can protect tissue from damage and help the body. Iron and build a strong immune system maximum. Maximum consumption of 2000 ml per day protein. The seventh, protein. Protein substance as a source of calorie as a building block of formation and repair of body tissues in the fetus such as muscles, bones, eyes, skin, hair, and liver. It can form antibodies for pregnant women and fetus. The eighth, zinc. The help maintain a strong immune system and prevent intra-intro infection balance hormones as well as aid in placental production. The eighth, zinc. The help maintain a strong immune system and prevent intra-intro infection balance hormones as well as aid in placenta production. The ninth, copper. Plays an important role in helping the development of the brain, the immune system, and growth of strong bones. The last three are the impact of malnutrition in pregnant women who must be known is it. 1. Stillbirth. 2. Premature. 3. Perinatal death or baby is dead 7 days after birth. 4. Nervous system disorder, digestion, breathing, and blood circulation. 5. Birth defect. 6. Lack and development of several organs. 7. Brain damage. Okay everyone, so that is all about nutritional needs of pregnant women that I explained to you all. Hopefully useful for all of us. Thank you for attention.